Welcome back to Two-Stroke Running and Repairs. Today we're going to be having a look at a Briggs and Stratton 6.5 horsepower horizontal drive motor on our little chipper. So what it's doing is I'll start it up and then I'll put it to run full throttle and it'll kind of be surging. It'll be going vroom, vroom, vroom. And you look down here and you can see that the governor's kind of working overtime, ticking in and out. So what this can be is some moisture in the carburetor bowl or something along those lines. So to start with, I'm going to turn the fuel off and then I'm going to remove this air filter cover to allow better access. Just go get a container for the screws once I get this one off. There we go, that's off. I did give the air filter a good blowout, so that's good. A little bit of dirty stuff in there. I'll clean that out before I go much further. Okay, so that's cleaned out now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the fuel hose into the carburetor bowl. Cool, so that's done. Then from here, I'm going to remove the carburetor bowl. It's just got a little bolt on the bottom by the looks of it. 13 mil. Make sure. There we go. Starting to pull out. That's out. And then move the bowl. It's pretty gunky. Give that a clean out. Cool, so now just have a look in there. Make sure that's all good. Give the bowl a clean out. The little jet on the bottom here, I'll give that a blowout with some compressed air, just quite gently. Or alternatively, you can get some WD-40 or similar. You put the little hose on the end and you use that to blow it out. And that should be nice and clean. Get the cover in a bowl. Stick it back up underneath. And screw that back up. Tight, but not too tight. So that's good. Attach that hose back down. That should then fill up. Put the air filter back on. Make a guess that that's 8mm. Yes, and I grabbed the 9mm socket. So kind of as a bit of a rule of thumb on most kind of small engines, this is not gospel, but there tend to be three main sizes. You have you get 8mm screws, 13mm bolts, and 19mm. And then sometimes you get a couple of odd ones in between. Cool, so we have it out here now. Low throttle, choke on. I'll probably have to pull it a couple of times because I've drained the fuel, but we'll go.